G'day, it's Adam Franklin at the Crawley Beach House in Perth. And today I want to talk to you about SEO. In fact, I've got an SEO planning template. If you'd like that, just type the words SEO in the comments. But I'm here in Perth, which is actually the most remote city in the world. And if I sort of pan around here, you can see into the city over there. But this is a very popular spot for photographs and tourists and whatnot. But what got me thinking today is that Perth is actually the most remote city in the world, and I was thinking that with digital marketing, it doesn't matter where in the world you are, people can find you, especially if you do it properly. And so SEO for me has been one of the most powerful digital marketing tools in order to get found. And there's two major components, and of course there's hundreds of variables and it can get awfully complex at times, but at a high level there's really only two things that at a high level that are important. First is having the right content. So obviously people are turning to Google to find information, and search engine SEO stands for Search Engine Optimisation. So essentially getting found on Google. So if you've got the right content that people are looking for, that's one of the key factors. The second key factor is how much authority you have. And just like in real life, there's companies and people with high levels of authority or profile and not so high levels of authority and profile. Same deal online. So there's a couple of things that contribute to your authority online, but the main one is the number and quality of backlinks pointing to your site. So if you've got good content and high authority, they're the things that are going to impact your search engine optimization, and is going to mean that you're found regardless of where you are in the world, even if you're in the most remote city in the world, which is Perth. That's it from me. If you want my SEO planning template, type SEO in the comments and I'll shoot it off to you. Thank you.